Welcome to the funeral program site, home of the largest selection of DIY templates, printed memorials and personalized in loving memory keepsake products. In this video, we will share how to make a funeral program service sheet. Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Doing so enables us to continue making valuable content to equip you during a time of loss. The A4 funeral service sheet, or funeral program templates, are presented as a ready-made file that is downloaded to your computer. Just begin entering your text and photos, then take it to a local printer. It is a do-it-yourself method that enables you to create a printed memorial program straight away. A4 is the traditional paper size and is the standard in the UK, Australia, and other parts of the world who utilize the metric system. A4 order of service sheets measure 8.27 inches by 11.69 inches. These templates at the funeral program site allow you to create a printed memorial without creative skills or having to start it from a blank canvas. Our A4 templates are formatted on one sheet, printed front and back. The program prints on any home printer or local copy shop and folds directly down the center. You are able to add as many pages as desired. You will find a variety of designs and styles to meet your needs in our A4 sizing, with easy-to-use instructional videos. We do recommend using a template for creating your program to save time and money. Our online superstore is fully stocked with DIY funeral program or service sheet templates, as well as other printed memorials. Visit the leader in the industry and see our large collection, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.